Hello mga kabayan, today we are here in Araneta City and we're going to showcase with you the available units we have in a ready for occupancy condominium here called Manhattan Plaza Tower 2. So aside from this condo guys, we're also offering different condos inside Araneta City. So we have this one, Manhattan Parkway and Park View. Yeah, let's check the condo itself and then check the available units for you to see it in person. Especially kapag kayo nag-work abroad, you won't be able to see it, the unit, kaya through pictures na lang and through videos. But don't worry because I'm going to tour you inside the unit para mas makita niyo kung gaano siya kalaki.
You know I did what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go?
Hello mga kabayan, today we're here in one of our ready for occupancy condominiums here in Araneta City. So this one is Manhattan Plaza. So kalalabasan natin from the elevator, this one is on the 10th floor. And today we're going to check the available 2-bedroom corner unit here inside Manhattan Plaza Tower 2, and also may elevator din here. So additional, so for this one is a lift elevator. And then once you enter sa pinakang room ninyo, you already have here the doorbell. Hindi na siya gumagana right now, but that's the doorbell here. And as we go inside, this will be your wood door. So that's 10A. So ayan, now let's go inside. Pasok. So for your breakers, dito na siya nakalagay sa likod ng inyong pinto. So this one. And then right here naman, this will be your telephone connected to the lobby area. And then before we go to the kitchen area, I'd like to show you first this. So what's good about this 2-bedroom unit is that para siyang 3BR kasi you have here your maid's room. Pwede maglagay ng bed dito. This one is provisioned for your washer and dryer, and may sarili din siya common toilet and bath right here. And now let's go to the kitchen area. So as you can see, with this one, parang enclosed kitchen na siya. So you already have here a countertop made of solid granite with your sink and then faucet. You already have here the overhead cabinets and then other counter cabinets with this one is also provision to pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng pinakang oven. And then dito naman, this will be an area where ilalat ninyo yung pinakang ref. For the height ng ref ninyo, it will be around 6 feet. So meron din tayong overhead cabinet dito, and then may maliit tayo countertop. Ayan. Now let's go first with the first bedroom. So as you can see dito guys, malawak na itong area mo. So ayan siya, malawak na to. You can also put here your bed dito sa part na to, or here. Kaya nang bahala, and then pwede mag-add ng TV. And then dito naman is pwede din working station with the view of Manhattan Heights. Yung view ng unit na to and the layout, and you have here provision for the window type aircon. So yan, wala lang cabinet sa room na to, but you can also add para more storage for you. And then dito naman you have also additional common toilet and bath. So upon turn over, lahat na nakikita nyo dito will be the deliverable. So we have here this one, and then we have the vanity mirror, and then also water closet or the toilet bowl, and then here the shower head. And so pwede dito maglagay na lang kayo ng partition para hindi pag naliligo kayo, hindi magtatalamsik yung tubig sa other part ng pinakang bathroom area. Ayan, now let's go to the dining and living area. For dining, pwede nyo lang ilagay dito yung table. I think kaya dito around 4 to 6 table seater dito sa part na to, and then this will be your living area. Here, you can put here the L-type couch dito, and then here naman you can put here TV. Pwede na siyang install dito kasi solid naman tong concrete. So pwede na siyang i-mount dito, and then additional shelves dito sa part na to. And then provision lang ulit for our window type aircon. Kaya may abang na tayo. And then for this one, this will be your view from the outside. So currently umuulan lang. So you have different condominiums offering. We have Manhattan Heights yan sa tapat natin. Nakikita ninyo. Ayan siya. And on this side, itong part na to, yan. So that's the Ali Mall. So additional convenient for our clients. Now let's go inside na. And medyo umuulan. There. So that's going to be the balcony itself. So medyo malawak siya from here going here. And so malawak yung balcony area mo. And now let's go to the main bedroom na gustong-gusto ko about this one. So what I love about this specific layout is that meron tayong triple na windows. First is this, facing the Manhattan Heights. Second one is this one, which is facing the Ali Mall and the SM Cubao. So you have different views of the specific bedroom provision ulit tayo for the window type aircon. And then dito naman, you have here parang a mini walk-in closet. So you can put here your mga drawers mo and additional stuff. And then what I like about this, may sarili ka din toilet and bath. So, kanina din, so what I discussed earlier, ganyan na mismo yung mataturn ko over sa inyo kapag ma-hand over na sa inyo yung property. And also, it will be up to you kung paano mo ma-maximize yung space na to and design it on your own. So, for this specific project, we're already offering a rent-to-own term for only 5% down payment to move in. Pwede mo na ma-own agad itong kalaking 2-bedroom unit. So, we also have a studio and then 1 bedroom. So, if you want to know more about the available units we have here at Manhattan Plaza Tower 2, please don't hesitate to send me a message for pricing, sample computation, and to do a site visit. I'm Ken Manansala, as sales manager here in Megaworld Corporation. See you again on my next video.